Smoke?
Smoke, brother.
Smoke?
Yeah.
Heaps?
White, and then just as you got like
white?
To the end, it was white smoke and then black smoke. And then on that first corner, it was white smoke and then black smoke.
Today we're at Luddenham Raceway for the second shakedown testing of my FD. Fun fact, it's been over a year since I was here last. I've been preparing this car for quite a while. It's taken a little too long for my liking. Unfortunately, that's how it goes sometimes. If you're new here, welcome, and check out my previous episodes to catch up on how I arrived at this point. So here I am trying to film an intro in windy and inaudible conditions. So let's just cut to a quick summary of how the day went instead.
Wow, it's very windy and it's very cold today. But what a great day. It's awesome weather. It's actually about, 15 to 20 degrees outside, but it was sunny all day. And it's pretty much the end of the day now. I've just packed up and I'm ready to leave, but I've had about 4 to 5 sessions today. And the car performed relatively well. Other than the problematic issue of a lot of oil blow-by going through to my catch can, which I've had to empty about 3 or 4 times today. So that was a little bit frustrating, and I was sort of losing patience with doing that repeatedly. So I've got to get onto that. Other than that, the modifications that I've made have made a very noticeable difference. I'm very locked into my seat ever since installing the bucket seat. It's a real sort of game changer, and the sway bars have made a really good difference. There's no clunking noises anymore, so from the suspension bushings it's all sorted. The car feels great. It's very rewarding when you're driving it somewhat on the limit, and it just feels good, and you'll see that in a second. As far as hot lap or my PB lap is concerned, which obviously I've beaten my last PB. I'm down into the 54s, which is really good. But look, there's definitely more in the car. There's more in the car, and I'm still not pushing it as hard as I think I could push it. I think I could get to low 54s. And with some better tires, I think 53s for sure. Sounds pretty confident, but anywho, yeah, it's been a long time coming. I'm just glad that I could get in, drive home, and smile rather than heartache and feeling disappointed. So I think I'm on the right track. But enjoy the footage, and as usual, give us a like if you haven't already. Subscribe. There's some more stuff to come. It'll be awesome to have you along the way. So enjoy. Have a great day.